Good evening, my brothers and sisters of Goa, and especially to my brothers and sisters who are residing abroad out of Goa. As you are all aware that the elections are coming up pretty soon. Okay, it's barely 6 months left for the elections. What's very important, okay, is that we all exercise our right to vote. We all have to make value of that vote of ours, which will decide the future of Goa for the next 5 years, okay, and the future of our children. We have to start getting into the habit, okay, of now putting our state of Goa first, the future of our children, okay, and then ourselves and our selfish attitudes. Today, basically, what is very important is that we have a lot of our voters, okay, our Goan voters who are residing abroad, who are working abroad, and who are deprived of their right to vote. This is like almost 50%. If you look at the ratio, okay, of voters who are not, of Goan voters who are not allowed to exercise their right to vote, is more than 50% of our voters who are being, who are being deprived of voting. It's totally perfect, okay, for some of our MLAs who do not, depend on Goan votes. Okay, like in the past, I am sure most of you all will also know that several MLAs have openly in public said it, that they are not relying on Goan votes. So in other words, whose votes are they relying on? I'm sure you know that. My point is that for us to exercise our voting rights, I'm talking about my brothers and sisters who are abroad. I was really very strongly thinking about online voting, where our government should provide a facility for all our NRI brothers and sisters to exercise their right to vote online, since they are unable to to be in Goa on the day of elections. This is how we will also have majority of our Goans voting and having a voice instead of mainly migrants and outsiders who are the vote banks of most of our MLAs in Goa. Unfortunately, it is a sad part, okay? But now, the important thing is that we've got to, sound our right. We have to make sure that our government listens to our voices and that we are not telling them to do something wrong. Every Goan who has the right to vote should be provided a way of casting their votes on that day of voting from wherever they may be in the world. My humble request to the government and to the Election Commission is that I think that instead of ignoring this, this part of Goans that are abroad, there is no provisions for them to vote. No, we have to make provisions for them to vote. In this modern generation, okay, today skies is the limits when it comes to ways of providing technology. We have technology that is provided for us, okay, in which from anywhere in the world people can get connected in any way. I think this should not be any different. Every person, every Goan should have the right to vote whichever part of the world they may be in, and the government should make this facility available for them. This is my humble request, and we expect that the government supports it. And we expect that every citizen of ours who are abroad should also voice their opinions and inform the government that yes, we do want to exercise our right to vote. Moreover, we would also request that we have people, citizens in our country, in Goa, okay, capable citizens who are decent, who are God-fearing, who love their state of Goa, who are worried about the future of their children, who would like, to see that change, that we are all so hungry for. We are all hungry for that change, a change that is against this corruption and this manipulation and this greed that is growing by the day. I think it is time, okay, that we all have the right to exercise our votes wherever we may be, in whichever part of the world we may be. We have to insist that our government provides that facility of online voting for every citizen, and also I would request all our citizens who have the heart to change things around, who have the heart to make sure that we save Goa from what is from the hands of these corrupt politicians. Come out and contest in the elections and participate in these elections. And believe me when I tell you, you will be treated, you will be given that opportunity, that equal opportunity as anybody else. Because we are hungry to clean the system, and we want new faces, we want young faces, okay, and we want non-corrupt people to come forward, working people to come forward, okay, and serve their state of Goa genuinely with the heart of God. Thank you and Jai Hind.